I'm thinking that's a canvasback duck and a mallard duck. Well, the mallard is still swimming, but that canvasback or whatever duck flew away. I wish I could have, like, you know, figured out my... I'm gonna have to give myself a tutorial on my camera again. And there is turtles on the logs over there, and I wasn't aware of this, but my phone actually zooms farther than what I thought. I mean, when I was going to record and trying to zoom, I mean, it turned into a dial, and it was actually a dial for the zoom adjustments, and that's what was throwing me off at first. But goodness, I mean, thought it only went up to 3 times, but it goes up to 9 times. Yeah. I think there's more turtles on the logs up there. Yeah. And I'm hoping when I get back to the other lake to get a better shot at that canvasback duck or whatever the species of duck is, because that's a duck breed that someone in Tennessee doesn't see every day. There's even a Canada goose over there that appears to be a straggler. Either a straggler or, like, you know, maybe his mate has a nest in the vegetation somewhere, but people are used to seeing, you know, Canada geese in flocks instead of just stranded by themselves.